Well, we're getting another big snow. I just came home for a break. We're gonna go check the Airbnb, do a couple driveways. I got my helpers at the store in town. I've been at the lot plowing all day. I needed a break, so I came home, got some food. This is February 5th. We're over 140 inches. This has been the year of the snow. I should go check my mailbox. There should be a plow check in there. Supposed to get 40-mile-an-hour winds, so it's going to be a blizzard tonight. So we'll get some excitement. Oh, the mailman didn't even come. The flag's still up. Got my helpers here, ready to go. Oh shoot. A little blizzardy. Yeah, it's gonna be a long night, I think. Yeah, Isaac just went home to get a quick break. When we ate supper there was no snow, and we're analyzing the weather and thinking, oh man, it's gonna pass us. Might not be so bad. And then bam. Hang on, puppies. I'm not gonna do too much because it's a lot easier with the front end loader. Just want to keep it open. I got all my snow pushes are in town at the lot, so I got a loader in the garage, but I don't have a snow pusher to put on it. You can never have enough. You guys plowing? They really like salting. Rather be salting than plowing? Well, let's go tour the vacation rental. Okay, you guys wait here. I was supposed to take care of the hot tub today, but that didn't happen. Oh, looks like I got some garbage to haul. So this is our Airbnb. Let's go check the house out. Tammy's here somewhere cleaning. This is a cool vintage arcade game. Super fun. We got a game room in the garage. Ping pong, basketball game, sauna. I'll work on that hot tub in the morning.
Done.
All done?
Yep, it's got a full way.
Well, it's snowing now. So we got a TV down here. This folds out to a bed. This is our utility room. All our supplies. That's where we do all the laundry. We've got another laundry set upstairs. 2 rooms over here. The bathroom. I got a little mouse trap in here. I haven't caught one in a long time. Good. I stay right on it. Typically the fall. I caught 2 this fall. They run down that beam, come in from the garage, I think. Come underneath the garage door.
Yeah, I'm not gonna mop the floors. I just have my little rag in my pocket.
Well, I plowed the girl over at the barn out. She moved her Jeep. Pretty cool, eh? So we call this the queen room because it's got the queen bed. And it's warm up here. I'll leave that shut. This is a kid's bunk room. There's my cool bear. This is the kids' bathroom and the queen room bathroom, shower. And here's the king bed and the master. That's got its own, this whole house has central air, but this room has an extra air conditioning. And it does it's a heat pump too. Another set of laundry here. Nice cool shower, double heads. So that's a quick run through the house. So this is part of the job of running Airbnb. It's lots of trash. Usually it's in my cans in the garage. These guys didn't use them. But I'll get this driveway all perfect in the morning. And there's no sense in worrying about it now because it's going to snow all night. Oh, dang, score. Eggs are a hot item these days. I got chickens, but they're not too happy about laying eggs right now this time of year. They're just trying to stay warm and survive. Yeah. Let's get warm. I'm freezing. Woo! Oh man, lost my phone. Let's put that there. Got it. Plow junkie. I can't help but plow snow, even when I don't need to plow snow. One of those guys that drive by my neighbors and like, oh man, I gotta go plow that for them. I don't know who else has that issue, but I see snow and I just want to plow it. Most people probably dread it, but I know there's other guys out there that have the same issue. Alright, I'm just gonna push that up and we'll get out of here. You can hear my fancy new backup alarm. Holy, it is blowing. When it gets dark, it is going to be nasty tonight. So I made that pile there because the lady that was here last week, the I-500 worker group, she went right through the front yard, and then she drove off the driveway and got stuck. I had to pull her out with the front end loader. So nice lady though. Out. Well, hopefully the renters at my other farm are okay, because I don't think I'll want to do that tonight. Oh, maybe I should run there. Yeah, he's a school bus driver. I better go run that out. Let's go run that out quick. Let's make a quick pass. So this is my son Isaac's house. I built that house in 93, 94. I sold it to Isaac 2 years ago. Oh yeah, the wreckers are gonna be busy tonight. Keep the main runway clear. They'll be. Whoa, you okay? You okay? Hang on. Holy mokey. I better make some phone calls, see how my crew's doing. How's it going there?
What's that?
How's it going?
I just pulled in. Just parking my truck right now.
All right. It's pretty blizzardy out there.
Yeah, I was going down to Businessbury and I could hardly see.
Yeah. Okay, you better get plowing.
Yep, I am. I'm just getting out of my truck right now.
Yeah, that loader shouldn't be too cold. I just parked it about an hour ago.
Oh, okay.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
How's it going?
It's another night.
Yeah.
Do you want to do a pass down that way, or?
I actually got to get going back
Okay.
to town.
All right. Well, I didn't know if you wanted to. I was gonna have a movie if you did.
I'll be back in the morning though, at some point in time.
Yeah, we'll have that up on the pad. So if you do come in before we move, you can just get through there.
Okay. All right. Have fun.
Go make some money.
See ya. Put my mirror defrosters on. So this plow I'm using is a Boss EXT Extend-A-Plow.
It's a beauty.
Yeah, I'm just doing a quickie because I got to get back to town.
Yeah. All right. No worries.
I didn't want you to get stuck in here.
I don't know how much is gonna fall, but.
Say 5 inches, they say.
All right.
With the wind, it could be pretty ugly.
Yeah.
Oh, anyways, this whiteout plow, I love it. The V-plows, you don't really need a V-plow unless you're going to plow out a logging camp road that you haven't been in. But if you're keeping your driveway up or your lots up, whiteout's the better tool for the job. I'd like to have a wider whiteout. Isaac's driveway pretty much blows itself out. Alright, I'm gonna take and get a coffee and then figure out where I'm going to plow next. I guess I better plow this out. Check my mail. So we'll resume this later.